Yes, children, that is a very important question. Here they already asked in the examination, children. Here the 2 marks question are in a application level question here. If 3k minus 2, 4k minus 6 and k plus 2 are consecutive terms, find k, children. Here consecutive means one after the other, children. Here you consider one after that, 3k minus 2, after that 4k minus 6 and then k plus 2 are consecutive. Consecutive means a1, a2, a3. Here how do you find the solution? Here, children, a1. Here we know that a1 is 3k minus 2 and then a2 is 4k minus 6. Here a3 is k plus 2, children. Because they are given consecutive terms, one after the other. They are in AP, the common difference is same. What is the meaning of common difference? D is equal to A2 minus A1. We apply A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. That is nothing but a common difference, children. Here, what is the value of A2? 4k minus 6. 4k minus 6 minus of 4k minus 6 minus of A1 is how much, children? 3k minus 2 is equal to A3 is how much? K plus 2 minus of again A2 is 4k minus 6, children. 4k minus 6. Here children, 4k minus 6 minus into plus minus 3k minus into minus plus 2. Here k plus 2 minus 4k plus 6, children. Here 4k minus k, 3k is how much? Here we get k. Here minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2, we got minus 4, children. Here again k minus 4k, we get minus 3k, plus 2 plus 6, we get 8, children. Here minus 3k taken right side, that become 3k become positive, nothing but 4k. Here 8 minus 4 goes to right side, plus 4, children. Here 4k is equal to 12. Therefore, k is equal to 3, children. 4 ones are 4 3s are. That is the 2 marks question. This is already asked in the examination, previous examination, maybe 2012. Here, that is a very important chapter and important problem, children. Learn it. Here, children, the second question, how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? That is already asked in the examination 2019, children. Here Cbse Delhi Board. Cbse Delhi Board. They already asked in the examination in 2019 Cbse, the main examination. The question, how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? They ask for 2 marks. That is a very important, children. How to solve? A solution is, how many 2-digit numbers? Nothing but the 2-digit numbers are starting from 10, right? Here 10 is not divisible by 3, right? And then 11 is not divisible by 3. We consider a 12 first and then 15 and then 18 and so on. Here last 2-digit number is 99, children. 99, that is also divisible by 3. Here A is equal to 12 and then D. Here we note how many means we need to find n, children. We need to find n. We know the formula, an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. What is the value of a? A is 12, d is 15 minus 12 is how much? 3, and then an is 99, right, children? Here we know that an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. What is the value of an? 99. A is how much? 12 plus n minus 1 into d. D is how much? 3. Here 99, 12 plus 3n minus 3, children. Here 99 is equal to 9 plus 3n. Therefore 90. Here 3n, 3 1s are 3 30s are. How many numbers are there? The 32-digit numbers are divisible by 3. The 30 numbers are divisible by 3 children. Again, another important question they are asking the Cbse 2012 children. Find 100 is a term of the AP 25, 28, 31 or not. How do you find? If we get number of terms, n is a whole number, then 100 is a term of an AP. If n is otherwise the whole number, in other words, it becomes fraction, that 100 is not a term of an AP. Just we solve it, children. Here 25, the given AP is 25, 28, 31 and so on. Here A is how much? 25, and then D is 28 minus 25, we get 3. Here AN given 100. Assume that, children, n is 100. So we need to find n. If n is a whole number, the 100 is a term of an AP. Otherwise, it is not a term. We check it. an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. A plus of n minus 1 into d. n is how much? 100 plus a 25 plus of n minus 1 into d, 3. Here 100 minus 25, we get 75. Again 3 into n, again n minus 1 into 3. Here 3 1s are, here children 3 2s are 6. Again 15, 3 5s are. N minus 1 is equal to 25, n is equal to 26. Therefore, the 26th term of an AP, 100 is a term of an AP. Because n is a 26, therefore 100 is a 26th term of an AP. 26th term of an AP. If it is n become 26.5, 27.5 like that, therefore 100 is not a term. But here n is 26, that is a whole number, therefore 100 is a 26th term of AP, children. It's the very important question, which term of an AP 150, 147, 144 and so on is the first negative term. That is the most important and trickiest question, children. Trickiest question. That is the most important and tricky question. First negative term. Here, children, what are the given? Which term of an AP 150, 147, 144 is the first negative term, children? What is the meaning of first negative term? AN is solution. Negative term means here negative term, what do we consider? AN is greater than 0 or lesser than 0? In the first negative term, AN should be considered as AN is lesser than 0. Because they are given AN is negative, first negative term, children. Here we consider AN is lesser than 0. What is the formula for AN, children? A plus of n minus 1 into d is lesser than 0, children. All of you understand? How you write AN is lesser than 0? Because this is the first negative term. Negative means it is lesser than 0. Therefore written as AN is lesser than 0. What is the formula for AN? A plus of n minus 1 into d, children. Here, what is the value of A? A is given 150 plus of, we don't know the value of n minus 1. Here d is how much, children? A2 minus A1. We get minus 3, children. Minus 3 lesser than 0. Right? Here 150 plus into minus 3n. Here minus into minus plus 3. Here lesser than 0, children. Again minus 3n is lesser than 150 plus 3. We get minus 150. That is goes to right side. Right, children? Here 3 1s are. Here 3 1s are. 3 5s are. 3 ones are cancelled. Here minus n is lesser than minus 51. Minus 51 children is minus 9 is lesser than minus 51. Therefore that become positive. N is greater than 51. N is greater than 51 children. Here all of you understand, minus n is lesser than minus 51. That become positive. N is greater than 51. Therefore 52nd term is positive, is negative children. 52nd term is negative. How you understand? Here minus 3n, minus 51. Here minus n is lesser than minus 51. That become positive. Here n is greater than 51 children. N is greater than 51. Therefore 52nd term is negative children. Right? All of you understand? Here children, now once again the important question is the 17th term that already asked in the examination 2014 and 2015 children. The most expected question for 2 mark, the 17th term. Here what is the question? The 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term is 7. How you? The conclusion is 17th term of an AP. How you write? A solution is, how you write? 17th term of an AP written as A17. 17th term of an AP exceeds more than 10th term. A17, A10. How much exceeds? Is 7. Think but 17th term exceeds 7 by its 10th term. Find the common difference. A17 written as A plus 16D. Here A plus 9D plus 7. A gets cancelled. 16D. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. Here 7D is equal to 7. 7D is equal to 1. That the most easiest question children. You understand the concept. You get that value of D is equal to 1. The finally children, what you do? Exercise 5.2. You solve the questions from question number 4 to question number 18. There are some 14 questions are there. Here you solve the question number 4 to question number 18 in the exercise 5.2. You got 2 marks easily children. Okay. Here you solve question number 4 to question number 18, you get 2 marks. And then you also solve example problem children. In the exam problem they are like, the numbers are divisible by 3, how many numbers are divisible by 4, what is sum of the first 17 terms, like that children. And then here you got 2 marks 100% children. You got 2 marks 100%. In the next class we discuss about quadratic equation. For more videos, you subscribe my channel children. Okay, bye. Take care.